up, everybody? This is Ryan with rhrswag.com. Here to show you a tech tip. Well, a tech tip is a number of things, and it basically comes to the most important thing we can control on a race engine, and that is the air filter. Well, what we've done, this is actually a cold air box that I kind of fabricated myself, and I put, Menards door seals on the top that would seal on top of the hood. Now this air filter doesn't stick outside the hood, so I can seal it all the way up to the top of the hood and let the air come in from the back. If we would run it outside like this one, we could seal it in all four corners. Basically what I did was use just your standard tin on the bottom and pop rivet it on the bottom with backup washers. And the other thing that once we would get to the bottom base itself, I like to use just standard grease and put it on my finger and rub it around the outside edges here, and that would keep all that dusty dirt, silt from getting inside your carburetor. And when you get to the air filter, I actually like to use just the standard weight oil that we have and put it on a rag and wipe the seal around here. That helps from more of that dirt, silt, sand from getting inside. And these outerwears or Moroso foam pre-filters are pretty much the cat's meow, and those help a lot from more of those sandy silt type of racetracks, and it keeps our carburetors that we've known and experienced in the past from getting dirty, and hopefully this tech tip helps you.